Hi, my name is Katie Spiess, and I'm a certified nurse midwife here in Connecticut. I'd like to talk to you about Mocingbird, a new platform that helps me to manage my professional credentialing and continuing education needs. As an advanced practice provider, I have to maintain multiple licenses and board certifications, all with varied CME requirements. Before Mocingbird, it was very easy for some of those requirements to fall through the cracks, and I spent hours checking and rechecking to assure myself that I hadn't overlooked any critical requirements. But Mocingbird has made my life so much easier. It keeps track of my license renewals, my certification cycle, my CME progress, and even all my recredentialing documents in one place. I get reminders about upcoming deadlines, and I can even access topical CME right within the app. That means that I can keep up to date on my CMEs between cases or even on my commute to work. Mocingbird has allowed me to manage my professional credentials and my continuing education while focusing on the thing that matters most to me, which is doing the best for my patients.